Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel about job. In this session, we will discuss a job openings from Australia. It's a recent job opening, so I hope so many of candidates have a dream to move abroad with a job. So this video will be helpful for them. So keep watching this video till the end. And now we will discuss what is the job openings from Australia, what is the requirements to apply for this job, and what is the basic requirements and how to apply everything detailed. So first of all, I would like to share you this job is urgent vacancies, so don't be waste to apply. Don't be waste your time to apply. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, then you can apply as soon as possible. So first, experienced farm manager required in Australia. As you can see here, this is the agricultural job. So as the farm manager, you will play a pivot hands-on role in being the ongoing success for the progressing property. Your focus will be on expensive crop farming unit that's home mixed crops. You will to take charge of operations, managing yourselves in every stage from soil preparation through a harvest. Moreover, your responsibility will include but not limited to execution of annual cropping operation. This include planting, harvesting. So as you can see here, this is the jobs from Australia and related to farming jobs. So you can see here, this is the details of the company and what is the job openings. And if you focus on applying process, that's simple. If you want to apply, there is requirements for this job. You should have the experience in farming, and if you have the international experience, then it will be a positive things. So what is the requirements? Let's we focus. We are pursuit of hands on a driven candidate, dreaming with genuine enthusiasm for farming. We seek an innovative mind, unafraid to venture beyond conventions, embracing new techniques and cutting edge technology. Profound technical expertise in dryland cultivation and in permanent paramount building and the above excelling in these positions high on a minimum of 5 to 10 years experience in dryland and irrigated farming. MC license are willing to obtain demonstrated expertise in crop planning and proactive embrace of contemporary farming techniques, demonstrate proficiency in this maintenance of farming equipments and machinery, a forward-thinking approach to integrating new technology and procedures, particularly those that enhance efficiency like pest disease management, preferably territory qualifications is in agriculture or related field. We encourage individuals looking to step into farm management to apply. So as you can see here, this is the requirements to apply for this job. And if you want to focus on applying process, this is the applying process. They are mentioned a official email ID. So you have to update your CV and you have to drop your CV in the mentioned email ID. So I hope you understand. Next, we need to move to next job is also same field farm overseer stock and crop required in Australia. So DM Sting or company are seeking a farm overseer with their mixed cropping and sheep enterprise. Located 25 kilometers south of Pingrove, WA, the role would ideally suit someone who is well experienced, minimum 5 years of experience in the agriculture sector and is looking for rewarding full-time work. So guys, of course, if you want to apply for farming job, you should have the experience in the farming industry. And if you want to apply, you should have the proper qualifications like they mentioned. a minimum of a degree in agricultural, or you should have a minimum of 5 years of experience. So I would like to request you here, if possible, you can collect this information from the description below this video and read it carefully before you apply. So both of these jobs are related to the farming jobs. If you want to apply, you can drop your CV in the given official email ID. So you can get this official email ID from the description below this video, and you have to drop your CV with cover letter. Don't forget to attach a cover letter. You have to forward your CV and cover letter in the given official email ID. So again, I would like to tell you, this is a job openings from Australia related to farming jobs, agricultural jobs. If you want to apply, you can collect this official email ID from the descriptions and you can apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, it's better you need to read it carefully regarding all these informations of job openings, so that it will be easy to apply for this job. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And I hope you will share this information to the guys having a dream to move abroad with a job in agricultural job, so that they can apply as soon as possible. So after you apply, the shortlisted process will be started by the company. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications to attend the client interview. So guys, I hope you are clear now about the job openings and the applying process and the entire process. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding job openings. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.